How to remove watermark in NanoBanana.AI. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a watermark from your images using NanoBanana.ai. So let's get started. So first things first, open up your NanoBanana.ai in your browser. Here you can see I'm already inside it, and make sure that you have logged into your account too. Once you're inside, simply scroll down to AI editor section. So this is AI editor section. Now, you can choose either image to image or text to image depending on your project. For removing a watermark, simply select image to image. It's already selected, so let it be like this. Then just scroll down and there you can see an option for reference image. On the reference image, you will be seeing a plus icon with the add image written over there. Simply tap on it. By the way, you can add up to 9 photos as a reference to make your photo even better. Now, once you're inside it, select the photo that has the watermark that you want to remove. The first one, tap on it, then tap on done. Now, tap on this main prompt section and describe what you want. For example, remove the watermark from the bottom right corner while keeping the background intact, or erase the watermark without altering the image quality. Let's try the second one. Then after entering prompt, simply tap on this generate now right over here. NanoBanana.ai will process the request and remove the watermark from your image. However, I don't have sufficient credits as I'm using the free plan, so you don't be able to see the results, but I'll be just showing you where you can see the results. So after you tap on generate now and the NanoBanana have processed your image, you'll be seeing your output right over here in this output gallery. After you got your image right over here, simply download your watermark free image. And that's it. Removing the watermark in NanoBanana.ai is quick and easy. So lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.